Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be doing a review of the Springfield XDM Elite. This is the it's the 4.5 inch barrel model. It also has the extended barrel. It's got the suppressor height sights. Sorry about these shadows. I'm trying to finagle myself into a better position here with them. So as you can see, I've got some basic mods done to it. Nothing too fancy, just a laser light combo and a compensator. I've also got a custom rubberized grip. I I made this on my own for considerably less that you can buy the Talon grips for. I believe the Talon grips for this gun they range between like $20 and $30, I think. But I did this for probably $5 or less. I bought the pardon me. I bought the adhesive tape online on Amazon for like $8, and then on top of that I put the rubberized grip coating, which is just liquid plastic, or liquid rubber. Sorry, liquid rubber. It's basically just what you would find on the deck of a skateboard, covered with liquid rubber. And if you know the gun at all, you know that the grip isn't the greatest thing. So that's pretty much all I've done to it. And it's it's actually a great shooting gun, very accurate, very good gun. It's people compare it a lot to the Glock. Probably the Glock 17, the heavier ones, the Gen 1 or the Gen 2. And I've got no arguments with that. It's a good, reliable gun. It comes with the plate for a sight, a red dot sight if you want. And like I said, it also came with the extended barrel, the suppressor height sights. It came with a lot of good stuff that Glocks, don't come with. And the price on this was, I believe, it was $5.29 when I bought it. So, comparably, you get a lot more bang for your buck compared to a Glock. And you also get a match grade trigger, a match grade barrel. This trigger is phenomenal. Like, I'll try to show you the take up. that's the take up, and then there it is. It's a super sensitive trigger. I mean, that's it. There's a very little take up before you get to fire. It's a super good trigger. I cannot tell you how much I enjoy the trigger on this gun. It's phenomenal. But yeah, I'm going to give this gun a pretty high rating, I would say. I mean, it gets high marks for what it is and what, you know, actually came with the gun, how well it shoots. I consider this gun to be at least a 7 out of 10. At least 7, maybe 8 out of 10. It gets high marks for reliability, but it just doesn't have, you know, the same, I guess, fanfare that the Glock has. You know, there's not, I guess, very many, you know, Springfield fanboys that rave about this gun, but I mean, with the grip that I put on it and this, I'm pretty sure I got the laser flashlight combo from Amazon. I mean, it's actually super bright. I can't show you how, you know, because it's daylight, but the laser light is super bright. Both of them, the laser and the light, are excellent, super bright. And this was, I think, $40. I mean, it is better than a lot of laser sights that I've paid double or more for, you know. So it may look like a cheapo, but the buttons, they have a they're rubberized, you know, so they feel great to the touch. They're very well positioned within finger reach, your index finger reach, so you can operate them with ease. And just an all-around, you know, good setup. I was gonna put, you know, a red dot sight on it, but for now I'm just letting it fly just like it is, because you know, I'm a cheap ass, I guess, and I think the gun's, you know, for what it is and for what it costs, I think it's perfect. I think it's really, really good for what it is, for the cost. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up and call it close, and hope you guys have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you guys later.